And here we are, Vivian.
Look at that.
Great cakes of Bon Air.
Oh my God.
There's the sous chef,
Did y'all take
Veronica.
pictures of that cake?
Oh my God.
There's the head
You
chef.
make a
Veronica.
business out of that, girl.
Oh
And,
my
But we
Alright,
set it out hours ago and it melted, so.
I mean, you can take.
We're gonna work it out, child. Come on.
Look, that can be some side money.
Havana. Look at it.
Oh,
Oh, whoa!
I made everything from scratch.
Everything,
Oh.
everything but the characters was
And here we
made
go.
by everything but the
There's
characters was
Elsa.
made by hands.
There's Anna.
Whoa, that's a nice cake.
Oh, there's lights.
Oh my God.
There's.
What flavors? The
Sven.
Christmas trees were made
There's.
by
I
hand.
forgot what was the name of the bad guy.
The
Prince.
Christmas trees were.
It started with
Hans.
Hans.
Hans. It's Hans.
Prince Hans.
Punch him out.
Olaf. Kristoff.
Kristoff, the good guy. There's our hero.
I forgot what his name was.
Hans and the big
Sven.
Sven.
It's big.
Oh, and see the Christmas
Oh,
trees.
Havana, look.
The Christmas trees and then the age.
Who's
All
that?
the candies were
Why
made by
did they put
Morgan.
the H on here?
The little candies and
That's a
stuff.
happy birthday.
Olaf.
The candies were made by Morgan.
Oh, these blue things are edible?
Yes, Morgan made those.
Wow.
You get to chew those?
Yes, but let's not touch them to the birthday girl until we cut it.
All right, now look.
What's the flavor of the cake?
The first layer is actually ice cream.
First layers,
So that's the part.
when you say the first layer, you mean the top layer or the bottom layer?
Top layer.
Top layer is ice cream, okay. Second layer is
Which means the rest of them are vanilla cake.
okay.
Okay, but this top, once you cut it, that's the part that has to be
Freeze,
frozen.
the rest of it
Everything
scab.
else. Now,
Mhm.
once you take that part off, I promised Krista once y'all cut it, she said she wants some cake. I said I will send her some. But you got
Take the
enough.
part off?
Huh? Once y'all decide to cut the cake, there's plenty that we can
Okay.
send her. But this is the part that has to go in the freezer.
Okay.
Because it's been out now, so that's why it's kind of.
Okay.
But it is
Come here,
just.
Vanna. I'll take a picture.